This is not a prop firm, yet you can get $1 million in funded capital. Hi friends, with prop firms blowing up all around us and denying payouts, for example, Infinity Forex Funds and FTMO, just to name a few, I have been on the search for a company that will fund good traders. So I am excited to reveal Trading.com, which is spelt with an X at the front, and they are not a broker and not a prop firm. This is their website, which I will post a link to them below, and there are three main deposit methods. There's the 1000 method, which gets you up to 200k at stage 5. There's the 2500 method, which gives you 500k at stage 5. And lastly, the 5000 method, which will give you up to $1 million once you reach stage 5. And the rules are fairly simple. There's a 10% maximum loss, and if you hit 20% equity at the end of the month, you move up to the next stage and get your payout. They allow manual trading, they allow expert advisors, they allow weekend holding, and they allow news trading. As of recording, there is currently no correlation rule, and these are live trading accounts, not demo accounts. Trading.com has partnered with a broker, MyFX Market, which have a trust pilot of 4.7. So all this happens in your MyFX Book broker account under your real name. And this is how it works. There are a total of 5 different stages, and for this example, I'm going to go with the $1,000 in deposit there, but there's also the $2,500 and $5,000 deposit, which is exactly the same. You just multiply this by 2.5 or 5. And the first step is to open a brand new account with MyFX Markets and put in $1,000 USD. This is called a funding account, and this is in your legal name. After you notify Trading.com that the $1,000 is in your funding account, then you will get a trader incubator account set up for you, and you will see in there $9,000 of deposit. The $1,000 that was in your funding account will get transferred over to the trader incubator account. So all up, you will have $10,000 in trading funds. The next step is probably the most exciting, where you get to trade on this account. If you hit 10% drawdown, that means you've lost your trader incubator account. But if you make 20% profit at the end of the month, you'll get an 80% profit split. So you've made 20% of $10,000, which is $2,000, and you get 80% of that, which is $1,600. That $1,600 goes into your funding account, and this is your account, so you can take it out, do whatever you want, buy ice cream, buy socks, whatever you want to do with it. And in stage 2, again, you've still got your $1,000 in your trader incubator account, which is still yours, and then the trader incubator account will see an additional $10,000 put into it. So total up, your trading account now is at $20,000. And you repeat the process. If you hit 10% maximum drawdown, that means you've lost this trader incubator account. And if you hit 20% profit at the end of the month, again, you get another profit split of 80%, which now means an additional $3,200 gets transferred to your funding account. So this and this together makes a lot of socks and a lot of ice creams. In stage 3, your total allocated amount is now $40,000, and from that, now you get a 70-30 profit split. And when you hit 20%, you get $5,600. Now your total trading balance at stage 4 is $80,000, and your profit split is a 60-40. Your profits from stage 4 is $9,600, and now you're at $200,000 in stage 5. And once again, you make 20% on that, you get $20,000 with a 50-50 profit split. These are the numbers for a 2.5K deposit. And finally, for a $5,000 deposit, your final stage 5 numbers is $1 million, where you're looking at about 100K once you hit 20% from the profit split. After stage 5, there are opportunities for you to become a licensed fund manager, but that is a video for another day. And for those of you who have a lot of money, there is an acceleration fast track, but I will make a video on that another day as well. The rules for trading the incubator account are pretty straightforward. You get 80% profit split, and as you go further and further up the different stages, they reduce by 10%. The profit target across all stages is 20%, and the maximum loss is 10%. Overall, the trading conditions are pretty good with reasonably high leverage. You can hold trades over the weekend. Yes, you can trade news. Yes, you can use expert advisors. All your trading is done on a MyFX Markets MT4 platform. I was super excited when I found out about trading.com, so I went and created my own account to show you exactly what is involved in the process. After you apply via trading.com, you get this email to create your profile on MyFX Markets. Once you apply within MyFX Markets, you will get another email to confirm your email address. And after you've completed the KYC, you get your MT4 login credentials. I did make a mistake when I opened my account because I did not open it in USD. So just make sure you email MyFX Market and they're happy to make the switch for you. Next step is to deposit at least 1,000 USD into your MyFX Markets account. Once your money reaches your funding account, don't place any trades on it because you need to contact trading.com and let them know to open an incubator account. When your incubator account is ready, you will get a fresh new login credentials for your MT4 terminal. This is my MT4 terminal, and at the bottom here you can see the $1,000 that I put in, and then trading.com, they put in $9,000. So my total account balance is $10,000 starting off. And I've got here the currency selector, and I've been monitoring the spreads for all the 28 major currency pairs plus gold, so you can have a fair indication of what the spreads are like on this particular broker. The next step for me is to trade this account, aiming to hit 20% profit and staying within a 10% max drawdown. There's no minimum trading days, no maximum trading days, so I can take as long as I need. And remember that this is your own money. So at any time you change your mind and you don't want to participate in the trader incubator account anymore, just let trading.com know, close off all your trades, and your money will be transferred back into your funding account. But if your account is currently in drawdown, then that loss will come out of the money that you put in. Sounds fair? These are the 5 steps you need to take to becoming an incubee, and I will post a link to this website below. I personally think that this is a fantastic opportunity for traders who want to get funding without going down the dodgy prop firm path. And again, this is never financial advice. I always recommend you figure out for yourself, do your own due diligence, and make sure that this is right for your personal circumstances. I will be trying out this company myself, so stay tuned for more videos on my journey with trading.com. Thanks, bye.